Okay, for our video today, we're moving to analytics and analyzing the video that became mini viral. Then it's a 1 minute video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for the upcoming updates. Okay, this is the video that has a 2.4 views, 2.4k views. I hope that you will support me guys by doing this video, and please watch this till the end and click the link that I put in the description to watch the other video that I make. That's all guys, don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe. Thank you.